You like that? Is that good? Here, want a hot dog? Want a hot dog? Yummy. Take a bite. Good boy. Got a little bit on your face. Whoops. You like it? You like macaroni and cheese with hot dogs? Yummy lunch. You eating your food like a big boy? Why don't you use your fork like this? Use your fork. Maybe a spoon would be easier for you. Here, want some on here? On a fork? I told you it was good. You eating your food like a good boy? What a good baby.